Our factory is one of professional manufacturer of die cutting machine. Our main product is lead is automatic die cutting machine for corrugated cotton, top feeder automatic die cutting machine for cardboard, and also we have semi-automatic die cutting machine with stripping without stripping. Our factory covers 55,000 square meter. 500 square meter is our office building. 30,000 square meter is our two part of workshop building. Our company has 120 employees, including 12 people for our research development technology worker. Now, our company also has been passed ISO 901 qualification, and also CE quality management system organizations. Also, our company is high-tech processing corporation. Now I will introduce our factory. Follow me, please. Behind this building is our office office building, and the office building has three floors. I will show you our department. This is our office building. Because today is Sunday, so it's no my colleague is working here. This is our parent office. This is a washroom, and that is technology department, marketing department, financial department, and sales department, and also after sales department. Now I will let me along with me to go to a workshop. This building is the first department of workshop. The first building is for assembly workshop. The line of machine is our automatic die cutting machine. During last month, and our city happened microvirus. So before the virus, a lot of machine has been delivered to our user factory, and the new machine is not finished assembly. So it's just waiting for some spare parts process. So this line is our automatic die cutting machine, and this line is automatic lead feeder. Okay, follow me, please. I will show you our stories and our process process workshop. This small room is the production management room. This workshop is our second building, workshop building. On the right of my side, this is our storage for spare parts. Our company has a lot of around 30 more models with different size. So we need to be produce or prepare a lot of spare parts on stock for the new machine assembly and also for service spare parts in the future service. Follow me, please. I will show you our storage of spare parts. This line is a lot of spare part for electrical parts. This is the wire tuber. This part is for the lead is the air blue tubers. This line of part is for the bearing of machine because our die cutting machine, our all die cutting machine adopt the famous brand of bearing, such as NSK from Japan and SKF from the France. I will show you details about this bearing. Come me, please. What is a big bearing or small bearing? We use the NSK. This is NSK made in Japan. It's made in Japan. It's with pure imports from Japan. And also there's a big one. The big one is mainly for the basis of part. So it's also made in the France. The most of the part we use the NSK. This is Ethic. There's also another brand is in Japan, made in Japan. So most of the bearing we use the famous international brand. This brand also the pure bearing from, I think this one is from in Germany. It's a German brand. Made in Germany, you see. It's also bearing. So our machine, the bearing, we use the ASK from the Japanese, and also another one is brand is from the Japan, Germany. Each of product we have the number. So because the spare part we use the CRM system. If the workshop department they need a spare part, or the service department need a service part spare part, they just find the number or part in our CRM system, and they will tell you the which line in there for the part. On the left of my hand, this is our process machine to produce spare parts. For example, our company mainly parts was produced by ourselves with our CNC machine. Follow me, please.这录着，后边录着。啊，直播的。This is our die cutting machine basis. Now this is our finished product. I will show you how can we produce the basis of spare parts. So the video is follow me. This is the basis spare parts. After where I will introduce the details for this part. Now I will on the right of my hand I will show you how can we produce our main product on the die cutting machine. Our machine, the basis we adopt green casting iron. Most of the companies use the nodular casting iron. So why we use the green nodular casting iron? So you can check it. This one is a stronger resistance and for especially for the stable. This big machine is our milling machine. We have the 4 milling machine. The milling machine to produce our, for example, our machine, the basis, our double side wall, and also our machine up and down the platform, moving plate. This machine right now is working. So give you a video to check it. This small machine is to produce the tuber is also one important part of our die cutting machine. Of all the CNC machines from Taiwan, Japan, and Japanese brand. You can check the video right now. This machine is a process of basis. The basis of very important part for the die cutting machine. So the precision, drilling precision is high request. If the precision cannot control as well, so after use several years, the machine's cutting precision will not good. This machine is for the making the move plate. The move plate die cutting machine, they have 2 pieces. One is on the top, another one is on the bottom. So this machine produces the moving plate. This is a small machine for the die cutting machines. We call it is axle You know, this one, the inner part we use the copper material. This is the copper material. The copper material it has long years. They have long years grinding. The bigger part of process machine also make our die cutting machine for the intelligence basis on the driving side. This is a turbine. A turbine is also one of very important part on the die cutting machine. The small machine therefore produce small parts. So this is our whole line of process machine and process spare parts. Because today is a Sunday, so some of the work is not working today. We just our company machine around 60% we produce by ourselves for the machine parts. This material also casting iron. So a lot of companies just use the normal steel, but our material uses the casting iron. It's stronger. 怎么了？磨切机下一次再介绍可以啊。That is up and down move plate. This is the basis. I think this one is for our 1620 size model. This one is also 1620 model. This is the moving plate for the top and down parts. The top moving plate lubrication system. We use the inner system. The oil will be come out from the inner, not from the outside lubrication. This one, please. This worker is right now is grinding by hand. Why is it used by hand? Because of grinding by hand, the people can make the basis the gear as good pieced together. 镜头给个特写。This one also unfinished product. Our machine, the basis is different one than other companies because of our basis is higher than other companies. Most of the company, they his basis, for example, the 1620 or 1650 size, the model around 700 millimeter. But our machine, the basis height can 98 centimeter, and also our gear is bigger than other company, and this driving is the diameter is bigger than other company. Now look at this machine. This machine also our machine the leather cutting, because we bought a lot of raw steels from all sides, and we will cutting by ourselves based on the different machine size and different shape. That machine right now is working, so it's making the wall of the cutting machine. 好，可以了吗？20分钟了。啊啊。This bigger machine also for laser cutting. So you see, we have a big size, we have a bigger platform for the spare parts. to ensure our machine part deliver on time and also quality control. This base is for our 1/850 size, the big one. This assembly workshop. Assembly workshop is this is a leaded feeder. That is oh, look at that machine. This is our around I think it's 90% finished product. This is a latest automatic die cutting machine for corrugated cotton. This machine will be delivered to customer next week. So right now, because of we have around 1 more month is not work due to the Omicron virus. So we just come back to work the middle of this month. So complete machine has been delivered to the user factory, and the new machine we are waiting for our spare parts finished, and then move in here and to assembly. Look at that worker is making the leaded feeder. Can check it.这签送纸是吧？You see, the leaded feeder we produce by ourselves. This work is right now is make the assembly. We adopt the sun view for our leaded feeder. This is the sun view. This is the sun view. This semi-automatic machine will be delivered to the talent customer due to the Omicron virus. So we are not successful order the vessel. Maybe the end of this month or the beginning of next month will be delivered to customer for this semi-automatic model. 1300 models. This is a half-finished product. For die cutting machine, the basis this part is a core for part. Our machine, the wall is 45 millimeter. So more thickness, and the bearing we used the Roland and the SKF for bearing. This is a nylon gate. Look at here, and this is the basis of wall. This is a casting view, and also for China, also for the high-end models adopt this cover seal because of it's very strictly covered. So when the machine running, a lot of dust will be dropped under the machine. Sometimes it will be dropped on the bases. So if the seal is not cover is good, so lots of the dust will be interested in this basis to block the oil system. This is a core part of die cutting machine for the intelligence box. On the intelligence box, we use the Taiwan brand. This is the automatic oil lubrication. So this automatic lubrication, you can setting the time. For example, you can give the chain after 2 or second times will be drop one oil on the chain and on the other part. So this is the automatic lubrication. People can setting based on your machine situation. This is a delivery part. The delivery part, we have two tabs. You can select non-stop delivery and also pallet delivery. Pallet delivery, and we can give the assistant collection can achieve non-stop delivery. That means the seat, one pallet of seat is finished, so this frame will be inserted on the machine, and you can take out the one plate, come out, and put another wooden plate on under the machine. Press the button, machine can automatic left, so can achieve the automatic collection for the delivery. Look at that. Both of this are for automatic. This are for the lubrication oil. You can check. Our company may be different with other company because we use the famous brand for the lubrication. This is a Compton. The company, the famous public group company. So we use and also we use another brand as a sales as a 220 for the oil lubrication number. That's a small spare part. So sometimes if when we finish the one machine, we will be testing the machine by our corrugated seat. We will prepare lots of the seat. When the machine be finished, we will testing by this seat. Now this is our factory. And thank you, welcome to visit our live channel. Thank you. See you next time.